Now we can begin Qualification Match 20 in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 20 now underway. 3 robots racing around here in the autonomous period. 24-478, that's engineers on the Blue Alliance. Hailing from Romania, they're lined up in that observation zone, but possibly having some difficulties with their autonomous routine. Their alliance partner, 10-138 Newton Busters, looking to cycle some samples up to the high basket. Didn't quite have the lineup on that last one, but here they come. They've got it. Bringing it up to their handoff and dropping it off. That's 8 points right there. 8 more points.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
8 more points at the end of the teleoperated period. 39-24 now coming out of the autonomous period towards the Blue Alliance here. Would appear that all 6 robots are now moving around the field. For the Red Alliance, 11-138, that's Robo Eclipse from Washington. Reaching out with their manipulator. They've got that claw in the submersible, now holding in a Red Alliance sample, sending it to the observation zone for their human player to attach that clip and make it into a specimen. Their alliance partner, 3763, that's Piece of Cake from Minnesota. They're lining up with a specimen on the alliance wall. Not quite able to get it in their hook, though, as they back away and move back in to possibly try again, snapping it on, and there they go. They're going to go drop it off on that high chamber right there towards that alliance, towards the audience side. Second specimen there now balances out the 2 specimens scored by the Blue Alliance, which can help with those chamber control bonuses. As a reminder, here in the CRI version of Into the Deep, those control bonuses are 20 points apiece, so preventing your opponent from controlling too many chambers can be a critical part of this game's strategy. Blue Alliance controlling what appears to be 2 chambers, with another in contention as they're tied with the Red Alliance for that high chamber there. 5 robots still moving around the field here for that Blue Alliance side. 23363, that is the Wizards from Minnesota, moving around towards, away from the audience. They're down by the net zones, just to move a sample right there, but now moving along to possibly take on some other tasks. They've got a sample in their possession. As we hit the whistle of 20 seconds to go, they line up to try and get it in. Not quite able to get it over, but there they go. Their hook goes up and over, and that'll be 8 points to the Blue Alliance. First ascents coming in, 3763, that's Piece of Cake. They're up on the level 1 rung. That'll be 15 points if they remain suspended. Looks like 24-478. That was Engineers trying for the level 3. They are suspended from that rung now. The final score, whether that is a level 3 ascent. Folks, that final score now coming up on the screen. This match is going to the Blue Alliance with a score of 323-159.
All right, and now it's time to say hello to the Red Alliance of Qualification Match 21, starting with Team 11260.
From Longmont, Colorado, that's Upper Creek Robotics.
They are being joined